All right, we're back here on this triplex in Coquitlam, multiplex. I'll show you a couple details on this, on the doors. This one's exterior door coming to the back patio. This one's one of those fiberglass ones with mini blinds. These ones are quite common, popular. But what I want to show you is on the bottom edge here, a little detail to pay attention to. Oftentimes from the door shop, this bottom edge will be, square or sharp. And we want to make sure that that gets sanded or rounded off just slightly, so it's not going to chip, over time, less susceptible to any damage. So whether that's your finishing carpenter or painter, you want to make sure this is taken care of. I'll show you a close up here, show you what I mean. If it's zoomed in here. So there's the bottom edge of the door. See on this side, it's been rounded over slightly, so it's not going to, or less susceptible to chipping. You see this side here is still kind of square, so that kind of show you the difference. This square sharp edge is relatively easier to chip versus, a rounded edge that's been sanded over. So that's it for now. We'll see you on the next one.